Good afternoon. It's February the 10th, 2015. Time to wrap it up for today for the 10-year note. We came in as buyers. We like the market on the buy side because of the 3-year auction, and that almost always brings in buying. We had our sell zone 11 to 15. We had our buy zone 1 to 5. The low is 4. First high up here was 11.5, followed by a high of 11. But the E-mini started to sell, and that really gave us pretty strong buying up into here when the E-mini actually recovered and started to come off its bottom. So this is our classic retest failure trade right here, where you retest this pivot high. Here's another retest failure trade here where you retest that pivot high. Both of those trades produce small winners. Off the low right here, you could have gotten long off our buy recommendation, which was 1 to 5 on a limit buy at 5, or when you took out that bar's high, you were long at 6. Or you could have waited for the software to pop a B under the bar, and you would have been long in this area for a small winner. The market stopped at the mean green line. That's one of our textbook trades. It produced a very small winner. And then right here we have another retest failure where the market trades up and produces a nice small winner. Another retest failure trade right here in this area. Another small winner. The software puts a B under that letter. A nice small winner. Another B under this letter for a small winner. Another retest failure here. Now this one trade right here, if you had taken it as a buy, we don't like these trades because we're buying at the value area high. It's not a trade we would take. But if you took a trade off the software, that was definitely a loser. Followed immediately by the retest failure trade, which was a winner. Another 2 winners here off the software where they put a letter S over the software. Right here pops the letter S over this bar right here. That produces a loser. Then you finish out with another couple of winners. So you had 15 trading possibilities. Out of those you had 2 small losers. So it was a very, very successful day for us trading. The software did its work. Our idea was to be a buyer today at the 1 to 5 level. The low is 4. We were selling 11s to 15s, and the high happened to be 16 before the auction late this afternoon. If you'd like to know more about us and the software, please come to our website, www.cnfuturestrading.com. At the site, you'll get to see the software, our trading methodology, and our programs for traders. To further encourage you to take a look at what we do and how we do it, we offer you 5 free days in the main trading room where we trade crude, gold, the euro, the 30-year bond, the 10-year note, and the E-mini. Please contact us via email at info@cnfuturestrading.com or call us directly at 312-361-3895. I'm looking forward to seeing you in the room for your 5-day free trial offer. In the meantime, I wish you good trading.